Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome to Murhari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain inverse trigonometric functions case of previous year questions. The inverse trigonometric functions weighted in case at 1 or 2 marks. So from 2020 now I explain question number 1. The value of cos of sin inverse of pi by 3 plus cos inverse of pi by 3. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 if x lies between -1 and +1, where x lies between -1 and +1. So what is the given statement? Sin inverse of pi by 3 plus cos inverse of pi by 3. So sin inverse of pi by 3 plus cos inverse of pi by 3. So this value does not exist. This value does not exist. Why? Because this pi by 3, where expression pi by 3. So this pi by 3 value 3.14 by 3. This value greater than 1. If x lies between -1 to +1, this value pi by 2. So what is given? Pi by 3 given. This pi by 3 value greater than 1. So this is does not exist. This value does not exist means cos of does not exist value. So answer is does not exist. Third option is correct. So option 3 correct. Cos of sin inverse pi by 3 plus cos inverse pi by 3 does not exist. So let us go to the next problem. The value of cos of 2 sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4. We have to find cos of 2 sin inverse of 3 by 4. This 2 sin inverse of 3 by 4 can be written as sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4. So we have one formula, sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4 value pi by 2. Sin inverse of 3 by 4 plus cos inverse of 3 by 4 equal to pi by 2. Where 3 by 4 lies between -1 to +1. So what is the property? If x lies between -1 to +1, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Where expression 3 by 4, this 3 by 4 value lies between -1 to +1. So this will be pi by 2. So this will be pi by 2. So this is cos of pi by 2 plus sin inverse of 3 by 4. So this will be cos of 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta. So minus sin, where theta place in sin inverse of 3 by 4. We have cos 90 plus theta equal to minus sin theta. Now sin inverse of sin 3 by 4. So by inverse trigonometric functions property, sin of sin inverse x is equal to x. So this will be this value minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 answer. Which option is correct? First option is correct. So let us go to the next problem. This is also 2019 question. So what is given? 2 tan inverse x plus 3 cot inverse x lies between a plus pi by 2 and b. Then we have to find ab. So a plus pi by 2 less than 2 tan inverse x plus 3 cot inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x. This 3 cot inverse x can be written as 2 cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. Why? Because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, we have formula pi by 2. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to any real number. So a plus pi by 2 less than, in this one 2 take out common, 2 into tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. This value will be pi by 2 plus cot inverse x less than b. In this one 2 get cancelled. We know that cot inverse x lies between 0 to pi. This cot inverse x lies between 0 to pi. So this equation, let us take equation 1. In equation 1, a plus pi by 2 less than pi plus cot inverse x less than b. So pi plus cot inverse combination is there. So adding 1 pi on both sides in this equation. So adding 1 pi on both sides. So 0 plus pi, pi less than pi plus cot inverse x less than pi plus pi will be 2 pi. This is the next equation. From 1 and 2, let us observe these two equations. Pi plus cot inverse x, pi plus cot inverse x, where b placed 2 pi and a plus pi by 2 placed pi there. So a plus pi by 2 equal to pi. Therefore a value will be pi by 2, 90, 180 minus 90, 90, and b equal to 2 pi. Therefore the values of a and b, pi by 2 and 2 pi, second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This question from 2018. What is given? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to given 2 pi by 5. Then find out cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. So sin inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi by 5. This is given. We have sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. So sin inverse x, from this equation sin inverse x equal to 90 minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse x is equal to 90 minus sin inverse x. So sin inverse expression we should write 90 minus cos inverse x. This cos inverse y, this place write pi by 2, 90 minus sin inverse y equal to 2 pi by 5. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi. Minus cos inverse x minus sin inverse y, bring the right side. Then 2 pi by 5. This 2 pi by 5, send the left side. So minus 2 pi by 5 equal to cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. Now we get pi minus 2 pi by 5, this value 3 pi by 5. LCM is 5. 5 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi by 5. This will be cos inverse x plus sin inverse y. So cos inverse x plus sin inverse y, we got it to 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5, second option correct. So let us go to the next problem. This question from 2018. The value of the expression tan of cos inverse 2 by root 5. What is given? Tan of cos inverse of 2 by root 5. Let us take cos inverse of 2 by root 5 is a. Cos inverse of 2 by root 5 equal to a. Therefore cos a equal to 2 by root 5. Cos a equal to 2 by root 5. From this triangle, 2 by root 5 adjacent side by hypotenuse, opposite side is 1. Now tan of cos inverse 2 by root 5. So this place in right a, tan a by 2. This is nothing but tan a by 2. So tan a by 2, we have formula 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. formula. Tan a by 2 formula, under root 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. From trigonometry formula this is. So under root 1 minus cos a value we got 2 by root 5. Cos a value 2 by root 5 by 1 plus 2 by root 5. So this will be, let us take LCM. After LCM root 5 get cancelled. This will be root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2. So options 2 minus root 5 minus 2 lie given. Let us do rationalization. Root over root 5 minus 2 divide and multiply. In numerator root over root 5 minus 2, root over root 5 minus 2, this will be root 5 minus 2 only. Same value, root a into root a. So denominator a plus b into a minus b. Formula is a square minus b square. Root 5 whole square minus 2 whole square, denominator value 1. So which option is correct? Root 5 minus 2, second option is correct. So let us go to the next problem. This question from 2017. The range of secant inverse x. So direct formula, this is the range of secant inverse x is fourth option. Closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. I give formula, important formula. First one, the range of sin inverse x. The range of sin inverse x. The range of sin inverse x closed interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Very important. Next, the range of tan inverse x. This formula open interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Open interval. Next, the range of cos inverse x. The range of cos inverse x closed interval 0 to pi. The range of cot inverse x. This formula open interval 0 to pi. Cot inverse x, cos inverse x. Cos inverse closed interval, cot inverse is open interval. Sin inverse x closed interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Tan inverse x intervals minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 open interval. The range of cosecant inverse x. This will be closed interval minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus 0. Next, the range of secant inverse x. This formula closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Curly brackets, set pi by 2. So in this sixth formula used. So secant inverse x range is equal to 0 to pi closed interval minus pi by 2. Let us go to the next problem. This question from 2017. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to 4 pi by 5. Then we have to find cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So what is given? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to 4 pi by 5. This is given. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x belongs to any real number. So tan inverse x. So tan inverse x, from this formula tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. So tan inverse expression, right, pi by 2 minus cot inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse y formula, right, pi by 2 minus cot inverse y. This is equal to 4 pi by 5. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi. So plus 4 pi by 5 bring left side, minus 4 pi by 5 equal to minus cot inverse x minus cot inverse y. This both values bring the right side. So cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So 5 minus 4 pi by 5. This will be 5 LCM 5 minus 5 pi by only 5 by 5. 5 by 5. This is equal to cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So answer is pi by 5. So cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. We got it pi by 5. Which option is correct? Second option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This question from 2016. Sin inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. First, let us do simplify this value, this angle. We write 53 pi by 5 is equal to 5 times of 2 pi plus this is 10 3 pi by 5. So what is LCM? 5 LCM 5 10 50 50 plus 3 53 pi by 5. This 53 pi by 5 this can be written as 5 times of 360 plus 3 pi by 5. First we have to find cos of this angle. So cos of 5 times of 2 pi by 5 plus 3 pi by 5. This 5 is the number of rotations. Cos 360 plus theta. Cos 360 plus theta is cos theta. This will be cos 3 pi by 5. Now, what is required? Sin inverse of cos 53 pi by 5. 53 pi by 5 value cos 3 pi by 5 equal. This will be sin inverse of cos 3 pi by 5. This convert into in terms of sin 90 minus theta formula. 90 minus 3 pi by 5. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Now sin inverse of sin, so LCM is 10, 5 minus 6, okay, minus pi by 10. Since we have one formula, sin inverse of sin x. Sin inverse of sin x is equal to x when x lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. If x lies between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, this will be x. In this minus pi by 10, minus pi by 10, this is nothing but minus 180 by 10, minus 18 degrees, minus 18. So minus pi by 10, this is also belongs to in this interval. So answer will be x, where expression minus pi by 10 is there. Where expression minus pi by 10 there. So answer is minus pi by 10. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. This question from 2016. 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi. Then we have to find x. So 3 tan inverse x. This 3 tan inverse x can be written as 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, right as it is equal to pi by 2. We know that tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, this value pi by 2. So therefore 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, this place and write pi by 2 equal to pi. Therefore 2 tan inverse x is equal to this plus pi by 2, bring the right side, pi minus pi by 2. This will be pi by 2. 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore tan inverse x equal to pi by 4. Okay, 2 divided on right side, where x is equal to tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 value 1. So option 2 correct. So let us go to the next problem. This question also from 2016. The simplified form of tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y. X plus y. Option 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, pi. Now, so what is given? Tan inverse of x by y minus, so tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y. So tan inverse of, in this one divide y on numerator as well as denominator, x by y minus 1 by x by y plus 1. So this will be tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of, so x by y minus 1 by, denominator right, reverse 1 plus x by y into 1. We know that tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab formula. So tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This will be tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. In AB place in x by y and 1. Where AB place in x by y and 1 there. So by using that formula, tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. So according to this formula, write tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. So tan inverse of, where a place in right x by y and b place in right 1. Now we get tan inverse of x by y. This minus 1 multiplied to all, tan inverse of x by y. Now minus into minus plus, so tan inverse 1 value pi by 4. Now tan inverse of x by y get cancelled. Answer is pi by 4. So which option is correct? Option 2 is correct. Let us go to the next problem. The value of sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 plus sin inverse of 1 by 3. So this is from 2015 question. Options are pi by 6, pi by 2, pi by 4 and 2 pi by 3. So let us take sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 equal to theta. Sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 equal to theta. Therefore sin theta we get 2 root 2 by 3. Sin theta we get 2 root 2 by 3. From this triangle, what is the sin theta formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. 2 root 2 by 3, adjacent side is 1. So by using Pythagoras, adjacent side is 1. Now this place in right, what is the given? Given sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3 plus sin inverse of 1 by 3. Sin inverse of 2 root 2 by 3. This value theta, theta plus sin inverse of 1 by 3. Now theta, where theta place in, okay, from this triangle tell me cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, cos theta. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. Now I can say that theta place in right cos inverse of 1 by 3 plus sin inverse 1 by 3 right as it is. We know that sin inverse of 1 by 3 plus cos inverse of 1 by 3 value pi by 2. Cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2, where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, this result will be pi by 2. So which option is correct? Second option is correct. So let us see next question. This question from 2015. Solve for x, tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So what is given? Tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So the x means x into 1. This is equal to half tan inverse x. We know that tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab formula. What is the formula? Tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. This will be tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. What is the formula? Tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b, where ab place in 1 and x are there. Therefore tan inverse of, where a place in 1 and b place in x, substitute. Tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x. This will be of tan inverse x. Therefore tan inverse 1 we get pi by 4 minus tan inverse x, bring the right side. This equal to half tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. So this will be pi by 4 plus of tan inverse x plus tan inverse x, this will be 3 by 2 tan inverse x. So 2 1 2 2 they cancel. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 2 is equal to 3 tan inverse x. So tan inverse x is equal to this 3 divide on right side, left side. Therefore tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. Therefore x is equal to tan pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 value, okay, this value root 1 by root 3, tan 30. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Let us go to the next problem. 2 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x lies between alpha and beta. Then find out alpha and beta. So this question from 2015 question. What is given? 2 sin inverse x. So this can be written as the sin inverse x plus sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. So lies between alpha and beta. But sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, we have formula sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. This is equal to pi by 2, where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Where x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, alpha less than or equal to this value will be pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus sin inverse x. Okay. We have sin inverse x, range of sin inverse x. Range of sin inverse x minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Range of sin inverse x minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So in above result, pi by 2 plus is there. So adding 90 on both sides, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than or equal to pi by 2 plus sin inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So pi by 2 get cancelled. So this will be 0 less than or equal to, this is pi by 2 plus sin inverse x less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 2 pi. Okay, let us take this second one. Let us observe from 1 and 2 equations. So from 1 and 2 results, where alpha place in 0 and beta place in pi there. All pi by 2 plus sin inverse x, pi by 2 plus sin inverse x. Therefore alpha is equal to 0 and beta equal to pi. Which option is correct? Third option is correct. So let us go to the next problem. This question from 2014. What is required tan of one function, sin inverse function minus sin inverse function? So let us take sin inverse x is equal to theta. Therefore sin theta equal to x. Therefore sin theta equal to x. Now tan of sin inverse, where x by root 2, where x place in right sin theta by root 2, sin theta into 1 by root 2, this is nothing but plus root 1 minus sin square theta into 1 by root 2 minus sin inverse x place in right theta. This will be tan of sin inverse sin theta into, this is cos 45, sin theta into cos 45, cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 plus cos theta into this 1 by root 2 is sin pi by 4 minus theta. So this will be tan of sin inverse sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this will be sin A plus B theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. So sin inverse of sin theta plus pi by 4. From inverse trigonometric functions formula, sin inverse of sin x is equal to x. So tan of, so this will be theta plus pi by 4 minus theta. One theta get cancelled, tan 45 value 1. So option is third correct. Let us go to the next problem. Sin of 2 sin inverse of 0.8. So this is from 2014. We know that 2 sin inverse x. 2 sin inverse x formula. Sin inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square. Sin inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square. Now, so what is given? Sin of, so 2 sin inverse 0.8 given. So by using this formula, sin inverse of 2x into root 1 minus x square, where x placed right 0.8. So sin inverse of 2 into 0.8 under root 1 minus 0.8 whole square. Therefore, sin of sin inverse 2 0.8 is 1.6 into 1 minus 0.1 minus 0.64. This will be 0.36. 0.36 root over 0.6. So sin inverse, this will be sin inverse. We have one formula, sin of sin inverse x. This value x. Sin of sin inverse x, x. In this value 1.6 into 0.6. So 0.96. So 0.96, second option is correct. So now thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.